Bala ko talaga makolect lahat ng Pepsi of all the generations. Gagawa ako ng isang wall of fame na puro Pepsi lang talaga.
Nabali yung kahoy.
Oh, shit.
Was rushed to the hospital.
May nangyari sa relo, pare? What's up, guys? Another watch, another day. Meron tayong very interesting na client na pupunta. Iniwan na sa atin ni client yung watch para for us to check if period correct. Kasi guys, this is one of the grail watches na gustong-gusto kong makuha. This is the GMT Pepsi rin siya, pero this is the 6542 reference na Bakelite bezel pa. Ito yung pinakaunang GMT na ever created ni Rolex. Iniwan niya sa akin last time. He asked me to have it checked kung period correct ba talaga. And then it took me more than 3 days to figure everything out. Good news, lahat period correct nga yung relo niya. Now, I'm trying to buy it from him. Check natin. Let's have conversation with the client. Hi, sir! Kamusta? Kamusta? How are you? How's everything?
Afternoon.
Afternoon. Kamusta, Sir Mon? So I had the watch check nga. Turns out, everything is period correct naman. Very, very good news for us, diba?
Very good news.
Kasi yun yung gusto nahanap natin eh. Huwag siyang napalitan or anything. So this is the watch. Grabe. Actually, sir, honestly, ang ganda pa niya. So how long have you had this na?
Few weeks lang.
Few weeks lang talaga. So bago mo lang talaga siya nakuha. Now, everything is good. It's period correct. All the parts. Actually, ang ganda pa nung dial niya. It has a Stardust dial. Yung Bakelite bezel niya had only a few cracks lang, which is very normal. Very fragile ito, yung bezel nito. So it needs to release yung tension tsaka yung pressure niya. Yun nga, kaya siya nagka-crack. Very nice watch. That's first. Now, what's your plan with the watch? Honestly, I'm a very big fan of vintage watches. Actually, I have few of my vintage watches that I brought with me today. So first, we have here, I'm sure you saw this na. This is the 1675. This is 1972. Ganda nito. Fade ng bezel niya. This is all period correct. Ito yung after nito. This came 1955 to 1959. Only 5 years production to eh. After nito, came this one na. The 1675 version na the serial number. Reference 1675. And then after that came this one naman. This is the 16750 naman. So it only has a 0 after this. This is a 1981 watch.
1981.
Yes. So this is the 3 generations of Pepsi na actually. This is the first ever Pepsi ever created. And then this one. And then this one. Honestly, they're not Pepsi naman talaga. Pan Am Air talaga. Kaya blue and red talaga siya. So after nun, since wala na si Pan Am, naging Pepsi na siya. So this is 1, 2, 3. After nun, na-discontinue siya ng ano eh, ng mga 10 years. And then came 2018, they released the 126710 now, which is the Pepsi that we know it right now. So bala ko talaga makolect lahat ng Pepsi of all the generations. Gagawa ako ng isang wall of fame na puro Pepsi lang talaga. That's my target. Another vintage actually that I have. This is the
5512 4-liner.
Yeah, this is the 4-liner pa. The certified chronometer siya. Para siyang nipple dial. So nakaumbok talaga yung indices niya. If you want to sell it, please let me know.
I will contact you at once.
I am more than happy to buy this. Wala ka nang makikitang mga ganitong relo sa market. This is one of the few lang na ever touched. Yeah, good watch, sir. Big respects. Enjoy your watch muna. Maraming salamat.
Keep in touch.
Let me know. Pare, vintage talks. Ganda. Hindi ko na nainom yung ano ko. Yung tsaka ko. Sobrang excited po sa mga ganyang piece. Ayun guys, kita nyo. Kinilig ako pag ganyan mga vintages eh. Tiga mo naman, no, di ba? 1970s, may 1980s tayo, di ba? Ito, 1960s pa nga to eh. But we're still collecting kasi maliit pa lang yung mga ano natin. Collection natin. Grabe, ganda nung relo ni sir. Oh bro, kamusta?
Sir, kumusta?
Tapos may ano ka pa. Ano na dala mo? Get nice pala, get nice.
Hello guys.
Bago ko buksan ito mga to, anong nangyari muna dyan?
Well, my family and I went to Bicol. For vacation, there was this bridge na gawa sa wooden bridge. Lalakaran lang. Sabi ko sa family ko, I'll cross first. It just so happens, nabali yung kahoy.
Gano'ng kataas yung ano?
Mga 7 feet.
May tubig? Wala?
May tubig. Napangtuon ko yung left arm ko. Pag angat ko ng kamay ko, bumaba.
Oh, shit.
Broken na pala siya. I was rushed to the hospital.
May suot ka relo?
Yes.
Oo. Anong
yes.
suot mo nun?
I was wearing the Rolex root beer.
May nangyari sa relo, pare?
Parehas kayo na reaction nung ng doctor. Actually, the doctor was more concerned about the watch. Rolex yun, diba? Root beer, diba? And I said, yes, popular.
Nasa emergency room, pare. Yun yung pinag-uusapan
Yes.
ng relo. Hindi yung nabali yung kamay
Grabe,
mo.
ibang level na yung paring hype nakarating na sa Bicol.
So you're okay now?
I'm recovering, brother. So, na-miss ko na magbenta sa'yo. So, meron akong mga dalawang models that I brought and I think these models will be perfect for you.
Yun! I've seen this. I always want something kasi na may black. Zendaya pa. Ito yung Zendaya.
Yan yung Zendaya, yan. And this one is a little bit more unique.
Uy! Okay.
Feeling ko kasi nakita ko madalas ka nagte-tennis, nag-golf. So, feeling ko ito yung perfect sa mga ano mo eh.
I saw this abroad once. This is the Cloud Stratus.
Yes.
And how much are you selling this?
That one, I'm selling it sa store for only 11,500.
A little cheaper. Actually, ang dami kong polo ngayon eh. Na ganitong color.
Uy, perfect, di ba?
Anyway, brother, 11.5 at saka 45.
Yes.
I like to get both. How much?
Okay.
Best mo.
How about, tagal naman tayo hindi nakita. Dito kaya ko magbigay ng 1,000 off dun sa
Okay.
Sendai. So 13,500 and I'll do 500 off dun sa Stratos. 11,000 and 13,500.
So that will be 23.5.
Yes.
Can we use the 23 and just call it a day?
Sure, bro.
Sige.
Alright.
Thank you.
Thank you.
I'll do this. Hindi ko naman nabili yung relo kanina eh.
Nakatipid ka, di ba? Ito
Oo.
lang yung binili mo,
Ito
di ba?
lang.
Okay.
Ito lang binili ko. Sige, brother. Maraming salamat.
Nice to see you
Regards
again.
to Get Nice. 23,000. Wala na.
Pang Starbucks pa. Thank you, brother.
Thank you, More power. Balik ka na.
Thank you. Oh, I'm back, guys. Visit Get Nice. Nag-plug na yun, no?
Oh, plug lang.
Visit Get Nice, guys. Ayun.
Alam na lahat na sa inyo kami lalo.
Thank you, guys. Salamat.